Hi friends, today I will make instant rava dhokla. Dhokla is a vegetarian food item that originates from Indian state Gujarat. Dhokla can be eaten as a breakfast, as a main course, as a side dish or as a snack. For this recipe, I have taken suji or semolina, 1 cup, yogurt, 1 cup, water, 1 cup, ginger chili paste 1 tablespoon, sugar half tablespoon, sugar is optional, turmeric powder pinch, salt to taste. For tadka, cooking oil 2 tablespoon, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, asafoetida pinch, green chili 3-4, coriander leaves 3 tablespoon. Take a mixing bowl, add suji or semolina, add yogurt and water, ginger chili paste, salt, turmeric powder, sugar. Mix it well and make lump-free batter. Cover it and leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, boil the water in a kadai. Grease a cake tin or a bowl with little oil. Open the batter. Add 1 tablespoon of Eno fruit salt and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in the batter. Mix it well. And put the batter immediately into the cake tin. And put it in the kadai and steam it for 20 minutes. On medium flame. After 20 minutes, I will check the dhokla whether it is done or not. Check it with the knife. It is done. Turn off the flame. Let it cool down. Once it had cooled down, unmold it. Dhokla is ready. Cut into pieces. Now I am preparing tadka. Heat a small pan, add mustard seeds, asafoetida, green chili, pour it on the dhokla evenly. Rava dhokla is ready. You can serve this dhokla with tamarind chutney. Look, it is spongy. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.